Alright, today here we have a Saeco Vienna super automatic espresso machine. The client is complaining that there is no coffee coming out. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put the machine into technical mode, and we are going to test all the functions, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can get the water pump to pump water and what the water pump sounds like. So let's go ahead and do that first. You want to hold down both buttons, turn the machine on. With that, you'll note that you have the red light on as well as the steam light. Now you can adjust the cup size to different areas and get different results from these buttons. So let's go ahead and test them together. This one in the smallest cup setting. This button right here is the pump, and it doesn't really sound like we're pumping any water right there. Now I'm opening and closing the steam switch to see if I can remove any air from inside the system, but it sounds like we have no ability for the pump. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to take the machine apart, and we're going to go ahead and see what we can find next. So this is what the machine looks like with no top on. This is the water line where the tank hooks up, and this is where the pump sits. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to check the flow meter to see if there's an obstruction in the flow meter. If there's no obstruction in the flow meter, I'm going to go ahead and replace the water pump. This is what the inside of the machine looks like after it's been taken out of its case. We're going to go ahead and remove the pump. So the machine's heated up. We're going to go ahead and make a cup of coffee right now. See how it turns out. It's not bad. Alright, so I just want to go over one thing with you guys. This is the date right here that the pump was manufactured, and it's in dating of European. So it goes days, months, years. So this was back in July 1st of 2000. So this was 13 years old. This client got a nice lifespan out of this pump.